Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to verify your DoPrime account. And we can do this simply by logging into our account, because they're saying that welcome DoPrime, you are a few steps away from trading, and they say your profile has not yet been verified. So what we need to do now is we click right here on this complete your application, and then you need to fill in these steps. So right now we fill in all the details right here, and then we do continue. Then right now he said approved, and right now we need to upload an identity verification. So make sure click on this, and then from here upload the ID verification or the ID type that you want to upload. And then after this, when you did this step, you need to do one single step, and that is verify your location where you live. So if you complete these steps, you verified your account and you are ready for trading. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.